Hi everybody, this is Ms. Ying and Ms. Padmini with the admirable help of Mr. Stephen, and this is your teachable moment. This in front of you is a multiplication chart. It's written down in the title as multiplication times table. You know what times is? Times is how many times you count something. So if I have 5 boxes of 3 cookies in each box, then I'm going to count those 3 cookies 5 times. That's why it's called the times table, because each box is 3 cookies. I'm going to take 3 5 times, which looks like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So that's 5 times 3, or 3 times 5 is 15. So how do I know if I have a larger number, like I have 9 boxes of 6 cookies in each box? I could count up, but that would take a long time. But if I have a multiplication table, I can look it up. Let's go down the 9 boxes. There's our 9 box. And if each box had 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies, 4 cookies, 5 cookies, 6 cookies, I would have 54 cookies. I can also look down the 6 in each box. 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 6 boxes, 7 boxes, 8 boxes, 9 boxes gives me 54 cookies. So you can see coming down from the 9 or to the right from the 6 gives us 54 cookies. So that's how I could use the multiplication table or the multiplication chart. We would say, supposing I am going to go on a bike ride, and I am going to rent a bike, and I am going each hour that I have the bike costs me how many dollars? $7. Let's find the $7 on the top. It costs me $7 for each hour that I'm riding my bike. How many hours am I going to ride my bike? Let's say I'm going to take the bike out all day from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's 6 hours. $7 for each hour and 6 hours. So if I look at the dollars for each hour, and I go 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. That's how much it costs for the whole day on the bicycle for $7 an hour for 6 hours. I can also look at it from the hours. I have 6 hours. If it costs just $1 an hour, I would pay $6. If it costs $2, 12, and 18 for $3 an hour, $4 an hour, $5 an hour, $6 an hour, $7 an hour is $42 total. So when I want to find out anything like that, so for example, if I'm going to have a party, I'm going to have my birthday party, and I'm going to invite 8 friends to my birthday party, and each friend will have 4 slices of pizza. These are pretty small slices of pizza. They're going to have 4 slices of pizza each. How many slices of pizza do I need to have? So I can look at my 8 friends. If they ate 1 piece of pizza, or 2 pieces of pizza, or 3, or 4, there's 4. I will need to provide 32 pieces of pizza. So you can also look at it as 4 pieces of pizza on the left side, and if I had only 1 person eating, that would be 4 slices, 2 people eating, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people eating 4 pieces of pizza each is 32 pieces of pizza. So that's how we usually use the multiplication table. But there's another thing we can do with the multiplication table, which is we can do something called a gazinta. A gazinta is a mythical animal. Actually, it's not a mythical animal, but you can ask the question of how many times some number goes into another number. So if you have, say, for example, you have 26 pieces of pizza. 26 is how many you got, okay? And you got to ask the question, how many friends can I invite? if each friend will have 4 slices of pizza. So you can find out how many times 4 goes into 26. So look at your 4 on the left. You can look at your 4 on the left, which is the 4 pieces of pizza, and you got to see how many friends you can invite. You can see how many times 4 goes into 26. So if you invited 1 friend, you would need 4 pieces, 2 friends 8, 3 friends 12, 4 12 friends 16, 5 friends 20, 6 friends 24, 7 friends 28. Oh no, oh no. So you don't have 28 pieces, you only have 26 pieces. So that means if you go up from the 24 to see how many friends you can have, let's go up, 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 up. We find you can have 6 friends. That means 4 goes into, or goes into, as we sometimes say, 26, 6 times. 4 goes into 26 6 times. Is it exactly 26? No, it's not. If you had 6 friends and they each ate 4 pieces of pizza, they would eat 24 pieces of pizza all together. You have 26, so you would have 2 leftover pieces that you can wrap over and put into your refrigerator. But we do know from looking at this table that 4 goes into 26 6 times. So that's another way to use this table. You can see that something goes into something else some number of times. So we can see that 7, let's see how many times 7 goes into 42. So I have 7 and I have 42, whether you call it piece of pizza, you can call it cookies, or whatever it is that you're giving out. But if you have 7 people and you have 42 items, whether it's cookies or pieces of pizza, you want to see how many times 7 goes into 42. And you can do it going downward or do it going across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 42, exactly. So 7 goes into 42 exactly 6 times, and you would have no leftover. So that's a way to use this table. You can find out how many times some number goes into some larger number. Okay? Thank you very much, everybody. This is Miss Shi and Miss Padmini, and with the admirable help of Mr. Steve.